Okay, so this is the code for my data logger project. This is actually this one is what I want. Okay, so you include the wire library up here. These are all your addresses for the RTC, the EEPROM, all that. This has to do with how many times it counts, how many times it interrupts and counts. This is just setting up everything. Here's my sensor value, pins, addresses. If you go down here to setup, this is right here. This line is what sets up the wire library, and then this is how you set it up with the RTC. So you begin, you write to it, and then you end transmission. This is for port D. This pin mode AO up here, that is for my LDR. Here's your interrupt. So every second I have it set, it'll interrupt and record the data, and then store it in EEPROM. This has to do with the interrupts. So if trigger is true, port B. Then if you go down here, sensor value, you have to map it because there are two different things. So you want it at 0 to 25. That's why it's mapped. This is all for the RTC, be able to read the time and figure it out. This is writing to EEPROM right here. I can do that because I have my function down here that writes to EEPROM. It's pretty much the exact same as this up top with all this wire.begin, wire.write, all that. That's pretty rather straightforward. This converts everything from BCD to decimal, which is quite helpful. And yeah, and then to receive it, this is all I have to do for receive. You put EEPROM read address, it takes the stuff from my chip, and it will display it on the serial plotter, which I have going up here. And that is everything I got from just you turning on my circuit, if you will, and having just taking a flashlight and uncovering it, just to show you that it does work. And so yeah. Okay, so this is what I've come up for my data logger. It's rather straightforward. Over here you have your 5 volts and ground coming to the board on this side. Jumps over from here to here. This side you have your RTC, which you have your square wave right here going to pin 2, digital pin 2. You have your SDA and SCL connected to your EEPROM chip. Also, they run over here to the SDA and SCL in your Arduino. You have all of these sides, and then you have your power and ground coming into your RTC. Then on the EEPROM chip, you have all of these sides grounded. Write protect is grounded. Power, ground, SDA, SCL that goes into your EEPROM chip. So that's how the stuff gets stored into it. Over here you have your LDR, your power coming in, and then you have your this line going to A0. This is how it reads the numbers from 0 to 1023, and then you have your resistor.